Hi, this is finding out about rulers in Photoshop by Learn to Design. Um, let's open up Photoshop and we create a new document. File menu, new. And firstly, you'll see the pixels. We've been through this panel. We've spoken about resolution, 72 being a low resolution, 300 being a high resolution. Been able to change these to centimeters or millimeters. It's just okay there. I'm going to draw your attention to the rulers, the horizontal ruler and the vertical ruler. You can see the edge of the page starts with 0, and the edge of this page starts with 0. And by right-clicking, if you hold your cursor onto the ruler, right-click it, and you can see now it gives you options to change it either to inches, centimeters, or millimeters. And what's nice about this is that you obviously have an option of changing to whichever preference you prefer. The rulers, how do you engage a guide? So if you click on the ruler, the vertical ruler, and you bring it across, you can see there's actually a little indication of how far you're dragging that ruler, and it changes those little numbers on the x-axis. It actually changes till you get to 1 centimeter. That just makes sure that that your guides are 100% correct. You have horizontal guides and you have vertical guides. And you will find that these guides will become more and more useful when you start becoming more accurate in Photoshop, either aligning text or aligning artwork or several objects so that it all aligns neatly. There's several ways of doing it as well, but if you double click the ruler, you can see it is possible to change it whichever you prefer, and that should hopefully help you as well in identifying the guides in case your artwork is a similar color. If it's green, you can change it to red, so it just helps you identify your guides. And yeah, that's just a quick summary of your rulers and your guides, and I hope this helps you guys. Thanks.